Okay, what's this? This is your stomach. Let's rip it open. Okay, okay.
Oh my God.
Tissue paper.
Tissue paper.
How much tissue paper did you eat?
A whole box.
How'd that get in there?
What is it? It's a hockey puck.
Okay, I see something.
Oh, my veins. My veins. My veins. My veins. I need to get these back in.
Too bad. Okay. Haha.
No, no, no.
Why are they all purple and green? Okay, let's see what this is.
My femur.
This must be our knee then.
My kneecap.
What's his name? Okay, you're practically dead. You got no tissue paper.
I want my
no hockey
esophagus
bag.
back. I want my esophagus back.
That's just gonna. Oh, right. Okay.
Hello, I am Robotron.
This is how I said we're gonna kick him out of the band. Okay,
You
bye.
planned this?